Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Discord crashing when streaming. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do here is we need to access our Discord application and our account. Now in this case, what we need to do next is we need to access our settings. So typically at the bottom left of your screen, you should be able to see your username as well as a gear icon, which in this case is going to be our user settings. So in this case, let's go ahead and access user settings. Now what we need to do next is we need to actually access the voice and video section here. Now from here, scroll down a bit until you see the section, which is the advanced section. Now from here, look for hardware acceleration. Now typically, it's going to mention hardware acceleration uses your GPU for efficient video encoding and decoding if available. Now, if you have hardware acceleration here and you are currently having problems on your Discord here, so typically turning this off can actually solve a lot of the issues that you're encountering on your Discord. In this case, turn that off, close the settings section, close Discord, and from then on, just open Discord again, make sure to restart it, and once you've done that, it should solve now your problems. In this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.